Trying to juggle multiple Paysafe accounts and keep them all secure feel like you're walking a digital tightrope? You're not alone. In today's online world, managing multiple digital finance accounts is common, but it significantly increases your risk exposure. The convenience of separate accounts for different needs, like personal spending, side projects, or budgeting, can be quickly overshadowed by the security headache. One weak link, one forgotten password, and your entire financial setup is vulnerable. But what if you could maintain that organization and boost your security? Well, you can. This is your essential guide to managing all your Paysafe accounts securely, turning that tightrope walk into a confident, protected stride. Let's dive into the core strategies. First up, unique and strong credentials. This is non-negotiable. Every single Paysafe account needs its own unique, complex password. The moment you reuse a password, a breach on one platform compromises all your accounts. Use a secure password manager to generate and store these complex passwords. It's the only way to manage multiple accounts without resorting to easily guessed information. Second, and equally critical, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. If Paysafe offers it, enable it immediately on every single account. This adds a crucial second layer of defense. Even if a hacker gets your password, they can't log in without the one-time code generated on your phone. This simple step stops the vast majority of unauthorized access attempts dead in their tracks. Third, dedicated account separation. Don't just separate them for budgeting, separate them for security. Use a unique email address for each Paysafe account. This prevents a single compromised email from becoming the master key to all your financial services. Consider using email aliases or dedicated secure email providers for this purpose. Fourth, regular monitoring and review. Treat your Paysafe accounts like a bank balance you check daily. Log in regularly, not just when you need to make a transaction. Look at the transaction history. If you spot anything suspicious, even a small, unrecognized debit, lock that account immediately and contact Paysafe support. Quick action is your best defense against fraud. Finally, a quick but important note, device security. All the account-level security in the world won't help if your phone or computer is compromised. Always keep your operating system and anti-malware software updated, and never access your accounts on public Wi-Fi without a trusted virtual private network or VPN. By implementing these 5 practices, unique passwords, 2FA, email separation, regular monitoring, and device security, you can manage your multiple Paysafe accounts with confidence, knowing you've built a robust digital fortress around your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.